Meaning of elective.
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 Elective. The term elective refers to a course or subject that a student can choose to study as part of their academic curriculum, rather than one that is compulsory. Elective courses offer students the opportunity to tailor their learning experience and specialize in areas that interest them. By choosing elective courses, students can gain a deeper understanding of specific topics, acquire new knowledge and skills, and diversify their educational background. Ultimately, elective courses empower students to take control of their own learning path and pursue their individual interests and passions.